Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Union Planning Commission approves annual plan size of 4,715 crores for Goa, 15 crores more than last year, 75 crores for Lusofonia Games. Panji jetty doesn't fall within the ambit of CCP, informs Commissioner to the corporators. CCP decides to seal offices of the casinos on DB mark. Government transfers 13 Mamladars and joint Mamladars. Officers will have to take their respective charge within 3 days. Four cameras fixed by the department near Deroda Satre in Madhai Wildlife Sanctuary stolen. Department claims one more tiger spotted in Bimgad. Genevieve clinches second silver medal. Alhad claims bronze for Goa in national diving event. And Gauri Hadkonkar wins Tarkar Memorial State Chess Championship. Gauri, Aishwarya, Riddhi and Urvi qualify for National Women's Challengers Tournament. Now the news in detail. Union Planning Commission has approved annual plan size of 4,715 crores for Goa, only 15 crores more than the last year. State Planning Commission met Union Planning Commission Chief Montek Singh Ahluwalia on Friday. Sources from the commission informed that Ahluwalia praised Goa for excelling in education, agriculture and health sectors. Commission has also approved one-time fund of 75 crores for Lusofonia and national games. Commission has asked for a concrete plan on waste management for Goa, but has put mining package demand on back burner. CM Parrikar met P. Chidambaran on mining package issue.
4,750 म्हणजे पूर्वीच्या परस 15 कोटी चढ
4715 crores.
ओके मेजर खंयचे प्रोजेक्ट्स आहा हितून
मेजर हातून लुसोफोनिया आणि नॅशनल गेम्सा खातीर जे कितें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर गव्हर्नमेंट उबें करता इन्क्लुडिंग स्टेडियम्स सगळेकडे जे कितें चालू आसा तें काम बेगीन जावचें कंप्लीट म्हणून ताजे खातीर वन टायम स्पेशल असिस्टन्स दिल्ले आसा सेंट्रल स्पेशल असिस्टन्स PSA म्हणटात ताका ते 75 crores दिल्ले आसा तशेंच सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट जे कितें प्रोजेक्ट्स गोंयांत सिटीनी करता सरकार ताचे खातीर टेक्नॉलॉजी अप्रूव केल्ली आसा आनी थोड्या दिसांनी प्रोजेक्ट सुरू जातले सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट गार्बेजचे
ओके
हाजे खातीर पूर्ण रिपोर्ट मागला प्लॅनिंग कमिशनान दे वील फुली सपोर्ट दीस प्रोजेक्ट सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटान आमी पयशे मागिल्ले तांणी सांगले तुमचो प्रोजेक्ट दिया आनी वील फायनान्स इट तशेंच दाबोलीम विमानतळ जो आसा ताचे खातीर जे कितें अपग्रेडेशन करपाक सध्या गोवा सरकारान भायर ग्रेड कॉर्पोरेटर वीक करपाक प्लॅनिंग केला that also CM had demanded some package for Dabolim Airport for undertaking the work very fast, on a fast basis. And that also has been considered by the Planning Commission. Assurance given now, कोण consider करतले. बाकीचे सगळे जे स्कीम्स गोंयांत इम्प्लिमेंट जायना आनी आमचे पयशे रिटर्न वता अशे सगळे स्किमीचे जे पयशे आसा येणाऱ्या काळान वेगळ्या स्किमी खातीर क्लब करूंक मेळटले अशा पद्दतीचे assurance Planning Commissionan दिला.
ओके
And moreover, the work done by the present government in agriculture sector, education sector, health sector were fully appreciated by the Planning Commission.
Commissioner of the Corporation for City of Panji, Sanjit Rodrigues, has informed that Panji jetty doesn't fall within the ambit of CCP. He said there is no need to seek permissions from the CCP for the work of jetty. Sanjit made it clear that Captain of Ports has all the required permissions. This was told at the CCP's meet on Friday. CCP has also decided to seal the offices of casinos along the Bandorkar Road. CCP has also resolved to initiate action on culprits after Panji market scam report is submitted.
Whatever permissions have to be taken by the Captain of Port jetty have been taken. Whatever permissions have to be examined of the Captain of Port's jetty at the time of things have been examined. There is no other far as the Santa Monica jetty is concerned, I have written to tourism department to show me their permission, because I have asked them if there are any demolitions or any construction going on land to take necessary permission. I am awaiting response from the tourism department, and as soon as the response comes, we will charge them and do necessary things. But in case I have examined the plans, there is no construction coming up at the jetty. Yes, there has been demolition. Yes, there has been barricading, for which due permission has been taken and due charges have been paid. Beyond that, the Act does not provide me to do any further investigation on this jetty.
The moment the collector North Goa notifies the same, we will advertise in the newspapers and through e-governance, e-tendering. The rate will be whatever the EDC is charging, at that rate only I think we should charge. That's what the commissioners said at the meeting. Hurtado ji, I will give you by Tuesday. Don't do it. Once I get the report, we'll call for a special meeting. If things are bad, I will ask for an opinion from a sitting High Court judge. I will send a note to commissioners, and since you know that 29 corporators are in favor of not having casinos in Panjim city, all what I can do is only close down their offices because they are in our jurisdiction. So I will send a note. Now whether the commissioner will seal it or not, we'll see, because it will be like Panjim jetty.
Government has transferred 13 Mamladars and joint Mamladars on Friday. The officers will hold additional responsibilities and discharge their duties at both the places. The officers are being transferred across 9 taluka headquarters in Goa. Officers will have to take their respective charge within 3 days and submit compliance.
Praveen Parav, present posting Mamladar at Sartari, has been transferred as joint Mamladar 2 at Bicholi. Trupti Rane, present posting joint Mamladar 2 at Bicholi, has been posted as joint Mamladar in Bardez. Rajesh Asgaonkar, joint Mamladar 2 at Bardez, has been given additional charge as joint Mamladar 1 at Sartari. Shama Narvekar, joint Mamladar 1 Pedne, has been given posting as Mamladar in Sartari. Madhu Narvekar, joint Mamladar 1 Salset, has been posted as Mamladar to Tiswadi. Nati Naraujo, present posting joint Mamladar 1 Ponda, has been posted as joint Mamladar 1 in Kankon. Ravi Shankar Nipanikar, joint Mamladar 1 at Kankon, has been posted as Mamladar in Kankon. Shripad Majik, Mamladar at Bicholi, has been posted as joint Mamladar 1 in Bicholi. Gurudas Desai, present posting joint Mamladar 1 Bicholi, has been posted as Mamladar 1 in Bicholi. Gurudas Desai, joint Mamladar 1 Bicholi, has been posted as Mamladar 1 at Bicholi. Vishal Kundekar, Mamladar Tiswadi, has been posted as joint Mamladar 1 at Salset. Shrikant Gaonkar, present posting Mamladar Ponda, has been posted as joint Mamladar 1 in Ponda. Chandrakant Shetkar, present posting Mamladar Pedne, has been given additional charge as joint Mamladar 1 in Pedne. Anil Ranesa Desai, present posting joint Mamladar 2 in Pedne, has been posted as Chief Officer in Sakli. A senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.